Hello and welcome back. So far we have seen functions and loops. So we will combine these two and we will try out two simple examples. The two examples which I'm going to try out is print 112233 dot 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 up to 99 by using nested loop, and we will write a recursive function to find factorial of a number. While dealing with loops, we have used only for loop. Try out the same with while loop also. If you want to try out these two, then pause the video and try it out yourself first before looking at the solution. Nested loop is nothing but loop within a loop. Here I'm going to take again for loop for I in range 1, that is the starting point, and 10 will be your stop point. So this is my outer loop. Okay. Within this, I'm going to have another loop for j in. Again, I'm going to make use of range 1, 10 because it starts with 1 and ends at 9. So that is what we want to print: 1 1 2 2 3 3 up to 9 9. So this will be our inner loop. What we want to print is if I equals to j. If I equals to j, then only print the value. Print I comma j. So let me execute this. I'm only printing when I is equal to j. Otherwise, I'm just continuing on with the loop. So let us look at the second example now. Okay, recursive function. I will define a method called factorial here, and I will pass in number to this particular function. As we know that if we pass in 0, then if number is equal to 0, then factorial is 1. Return 1. Else num multiplied by factorial of num minus 1. So if you look at this, we are calling factorial within this factorial method. 12 is equal to factorial of say 5. Print the red value. Let us execute this. Okay, after printing up to 99, so this is from the earlier example. Here it is printing factorial of 5 as 120. So that is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Let us try factorial of 1. So this is 1, and factorial of 0 is also 1. So far we have tried out these two examples. The first example we have tried with for. You can also try this with while loop, and you can also try another thing with this first example, which is to put this inside a function and call that function, and that function can be further enhanced by providing the stop value as an argument. So far we have combined several concepts whatever we have learned so far. We have used for loop, we have used if, we have used comment here, and we have used a function with an argument, and how to call a particular function. We have also used user defined function, which is factorial, and built-in function, which is print, and we have also used a return here to return that value.